We're in Alexandria. This is the headless statue of King Rameses II. This is the catacomb in Alexandria. What remains of it? It's undergoing restoration works. We go upwards, no? These are burial grounds of the old kings. So you see in this area restoration works. I don't know if this really reflects the former state of the area, but there's a tower being built here, no? And you also observe a lot of buildings, no, residential buildings surrounding the site. I think these buildings oo nga, putol ulo, they just preserve. Ito yung mga naiwan siguro, nakita nila and they preserve. Kaso mga ulo, putol ulo. And unfortunately, no, ito yung parang ilalim ata to, mga hukay-hukay nila.
The losers don't get to write about it, it's just the victims.
Taas. These are old stone structures, you know, being built. You have also old handwritings. Okay, that's it.
Kunin mo lahat ha. Kasama doon, no? Pawayot mo ganyan. Wala,
Natin.